Welcome back to the last episode of the Idiot Trading Challenge for the £300. It's been a long time coming. I think the end of this it's been great doing it. Absolutely awesome. What's your thoughts been on it so far, Matt?
I think we're 10 weeks into it now because of the miscalculation on this second part of the challenge. 1 practice week, 4 real weeks, and then 5 real weeks on this second part. So 10 weeks in, I've learnt a lot. It's been quite interesting starting to plan for what I might be doing afterwards. Might turn into an investor long term now.
I mean, why not? Why not? I've definitely moved since the challenge has finished. I've definitely moved a few of my things around and invested in one or two other things and just kind of sat waiting with it.
Yeah. It's the thing is, like, going forward, I think we'll probably be a bit more long term focused, whereas for the challenge it's been a bit more short term, trying to win week to week. But that's kept it entertaining. It means we've had to make decisions that we might have otherwise not made. Made some investments I probably wouldn't have done otherwise. It's forced my hand on looking into stocks that I probably wouldn't have bothered researching because I've needed something. But yeah, it's been really good just as well. Like, even the stuff I haven't invested in, I've learned so much by watching things and going, oh, I didn't invest in that and this is what happened.
Yeah.
Or just seeing, and also, like, I've been a bit more up to date on the news regarding stocks as well. So any news that's come up about stocks, I've been interested in it. Who's it about? Why is it doing it? That kind of thing. So yeah, it's taught me a whole load of stuff.
No, I've definitely been, especially on the stocks app on just on my iPhone, because they do give you like a daily rundown of a few stories. Like, you get so many in the morning, then a few more towards the end of the day. And yeah, I've been the same. I've definitely been reading a few more things and been like, oh, okay. And it's interesting seeing how little things like that then affects things going forward.
Yeah.
Like, in ways you don't really think, which has been quite good. But yeah, definitely been enjoying that. I don't know what your last recording was during the week, but I think I last recorded on Wednesday or Thursday, so I think I'm the only one. Even people have watched the last episode, they don't know what my final account balance was come Friday.
Right, okay. They'll know mine.
So, they'll know yours. Oh, okay.
Yeah, they should do. Unless we decide to take it out after this meeting, but yeah, I did a recording which showed my final account value.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, I think it's going to be interesting. You were teasing me midweek with some screenshots with the little first digit blurred out and a 5 that followed that.
Yeah.
I didn't bite. Didn't bite.
I mean, who knows when that screenshot's from?
Who knows when it was from, and who knows what that number was as well. So,
yes.
You know. But yeah, should we get into it? Should we see if I can retain my title as the Idiot Trading Challenge champion?
2 right, yeah. I feel as champion then, it should only be fitting if you announce what you are on to right now.
Well, I think that's the way it's been for the last few weeks. As I've won most of the weeks so far. But yeah. So my portfolio, not my account, I'm going to tease it a bit. My portfolio was at £73.14, but it was in the green. And my overall account value was at £303.83, so £303.83. So not as good a return as we had in the first challenge.
Yep.
But
still a return.
A return nonetheless.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right, okay. So I'll tease in then with my portfolio at £168.19.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's lower than I thought it'd be for you. I thought you'd have much more.
Well, yeah, I normally have everything invested, don't I? So, but the final balance, and if I remember correctly, I was around 280-ish, I think, last week.
Yeah, it was 280 some. I think it's 289.
289. Yeah, so I had a bit of room to catch up with there. But yeah,
and obviously just before you announce this, just to confirm that obviously every other week, if you've been following it during the £300 challenge, the winner has been the person who's had the best result that week, but because this is the end of the challenges, whoever's got the best overall account value. So I've just had a look. You're on 28665 at the end of the last week.
Wow. Okay. Well, I can confirm that my account balance now stands at starting with a 3.
Oh.
Followed by a 2.
Oh, very well done.
Yeah. £323.17.
Wow. Fantastic.
Yeah. So that screenshot that I teased you with that had the 50 and the question mark in front of it, that number was a 3.
I did think it would be, because I thought, why the hell would you send me it otherwise?
Well, I didn't know. I was also thinking, well, this might get your hopes up if you maybe think if it's 250, then you might just play even safer and not do anything.
Nah, I decided long ago that I was going to use my account this money long term, so I was just about keeping that money as protected as I could, so that when we finished this challenge I had some money to play with, because I'd have kicked myself if I'd have gone through that whole challenge. I think there was only 1 week where I wasn't in profit throughout both challenges.
I think so,
and I'd hate it if I finished with a loss. I would have kicked myself so much, so I was just like, just stay in profit.
No,
so was did you ride a Tesla wave or something like that?
You're going to laugh when I tell you what it was that I jumped on the bandwagon of. Cineworld. Yeah.
What is it with you in Cineworld?
It was low 30s or something, you know, in like when it was last week's. So I thought it was coming to the end of it. I was like, damn, okay. And then, literally, as soon as the next week started, it just hyped itself back up to, I think it was up near 50, 60 at some point. So it just, it absolutely pulled through for me. I thought, well, it's fitting that we kind of started all this from me getting into it with Cineworld. So I thought, I'm going to have to go out with a bang and put pretty much everything into it and hope for the best.
Just looking at the charts now, there's some good returns there for you.
Yeah, yes, definitely.
Very good.
So I think that that leaves us at 1 apiece so far, I think.
Yeah, we'll have to keep track of this going forward.
Yeah, definitely. As we were saying as well, it'll be cool, especially since a lot of things that we're doing is going to be slightly business or money related, to keep a track of the actual amount each of us makes overall.
Yeah, definitely. And I think as well, if people want us to keep them updated on how our portfolios are going forward, we won't stick to having a certain amount each. We'll be able to invest whatever we want in our own accounts. But if you want us to keep you updated, we can maybe do like a percentage change kind of competition each quarter or something like that. Talk about that. But if you want that, make sure to drop this video a like and comment to tell us that that's what you want, and we'll make sure to include it in future videos.
Yes. Yeah, so this, as we say, is the last episode of this, but hopefully come next week there should be a new challenge coming out for you. So just stay tuned, hit that subscribe, and just see what else we come up with next time.
Thanks for watching another episode of the Idiot Trading Challenge. If you've enjoyed this, then make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you could share it with a friend, that'd be absolutely amazing. If you want to help me out in this challenge, you can sign up to Trading 212 platform via the link in our description. If you do that, we'll both receive a share free of charge worth up to £100. Obviously, make sure to check out the T's and C's before you do that. But until next time, thanks for watching.